Hello everyone, my name is Nandan Kumar Singh, 20CH100401. This is part 1 of assignment 4. Now this is a schematic capture. I have made no changes for the schematic capture. Now we will go to source code. I have written the source code, a simpler one, and here we can see that a speed is directly proportional to PWM value, and we should keep in mind that the PWM value should not exceed 250, because after that the accuracy will be reduced. And pin mode 12 is given for output, and a digital write 12 high for to run the motor clockwise. Now we will go to schematic capture and simulate it. We have already compiled it successfully. Now going to schematic capture, simulate it. Now we can see that the motor is running clockwise, and it will eventually get a steady state value. Now the motor has got a steady state value. Now we can see the motor is running 9.27 value. Now coming to source code, if first stop it, and then coming to source code, we can see that a speed is directly proportional to PWM value. Now if we are making it to 50, now we have made the PWM value equal to 50, that is half of 100. So we should expect that the motor running value should also come to some steady state half of that we got in 100, but means we should expect some value around 4.63. Now we will see what happens. We have compiled it successfully. We will simulate it and see the steady state value of this 50 PWM. Now we can see that the steady state value for this motor is coming 2.39 for PWM value 50, but we were expecting around 4.63. So we can conclude from here that why we should not use open circuit motors. So we prefer to use closed circuit motors. So we are done with assignment 4 part 1. Now coming to part 2 of assignment 4, we have connected one slider to a gauge for measuring water level in centimeters. For water level, we have set a range of from 0 to 100, and for water level in centimeter, we have three color gradients. From 0 to 35, it will show green. From 35 to 70, it will show yellow. From 70 to 100, it will show red. Now, another slider is connected to a different chart. For gas pressure controller, we have set a range of from 0 to 50, and gas pressure in bar, we have used a maximum of 50, and bar chart, it will be shown in bar chart. Now we have already deployed it. Now we will see whether it works finally or not. For gas pressure controller, we can see it goes to maximum at 50, so it works finally. And now for water level controller, we will see whether it works or not. Till 35, it will show green. From 35 to 70, it should show yellow, and from 70 to 100, it will show red. So it works nicely. Thank you. We are done with this assignment.